alternative method of converting numbers in different bases to base 10 to ordinary form. Let's see. Express 1. Express 123.12 base 5 in ordinary form. Remember, ordinary form is base 10. Some examiner will say in base 10, while some will say in ordinary form. Now, to solve this, it's very simple. You are going to write the first one, not decimal part. The first part you write step 1. 1, 2, 3. Then 5. You will say this base 5 times 1 is 5. You are going to add these 2 to this 5. Let's put it like this for easy understanding. Add this to this 5, you have 7. 7 times 5 will give us 35. You add this to this one to give us 38. This 38 becomes your answer here. Then step 2, decimal part, dot 1, 2. You are going to multiply this by 5. You have 5. Then bring it here. 5 plus this give us what? 7. Now that you have 7, you write 7 multiplied. What is your base? Your base is 5. And how many decimal places you have here? You have 1, 2. So the maximum is minus 2. You now have 5 minus 2, because normally what we have been doing before, this is minus 1 minus 2. This will give us 7 multiplied by 1 all over 25, because 5 power minus 2 is 1 over 25. Power we have done before. This will give us 7 over 25. This will give us, you press it, what will you have? 7 divided by 25. You have 0.28. Now, therefore, add up your first step and second step. That is 38 plus 0.28 will give us 38.28 base 10. That is your answer. If you remember what we did before, the first step and second step remain the same. Okay, maybe another example will throw more light on this for better understanding. Example 2. express 473 point 5 6 2 base 2 to a number in base 10. You know, previous method, you know what to do, but let's apply the second alternative method to solve this problem. So we say, step 1, 472 multiply by the base. The base is 2. You have 2 times 4 give us 8. Now, you are going to add 8 to 7 to give us 7 plus 8 is 15. Then multiply by the base 2 again to give us 30. Two plus 30 will give us 32. And 32 is where you stop. Again, 2 times this is 8. You move 8 to this place, add up this, you have 15. 15 times 2 is 30. Move it to this place, you have 30. You have 32. That is the end. Now, step 2. Step 2 you have 0.5652 base 2 times 2. 2 times gives us 10. Then add up 10 here. 10 plus 6 is 16 times 2 will give us 32. Add up 32 here will give us 34. Very simple. Now, this 34 you got in step 2, multiply by 2 is the base. What is the highest negative value here? This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 3 decimal places, you put minus 3. If it is 2 decimal places, you put minus 2. If it is 4 decimal places, you put minus 4. If it's 1 decimal places, you put minus 1. This will give us 34 multiplied by 1 all over. 2 power 3 is 8 to give us 34 all over 8. Then we will divide 34 by 8. See what we have? 34 divided by 8. You have 425. You have 4.25. Therefore, 32 plus 4.25 will give us 36.25 base 10, and that is your answer. If you apply the first method, you will arrive at the same answer.